Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your weekly look at the markets. It's the 24th of May 2021. Let's take a look at the trade setting up for this week. Crude oil. I'm taking a look at crude. Some of you maybe have never traded crude oil before, but it's a cracking market to trade if you know and understand the volatility of oil. We're looking at the crude oil here, not Brent crude. Now, we've had a very nice move down and basically we've gone sideways on a bit of a channel these last several weeks. I think what's setting up here is that we've got this high OBS signal, this is overbought basically, in this little push back. I think, watch out guys, because I think we could have a little shift back to 59.96 here and a little bit maybe even lower, because I think if we come back into this channel, there's that channel once again, sort of come back into the middle of it, watch out, watch for a break below the low. Let me just tell you where I will certainly be looking. Here's the day's low. Watch out for tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Watch for a break below that low and a push down to that 59.96. All right, so we've got a red pro trading system. Volatility is low. The storyteller down here, momentum indicator is 0 virtually. So that means we're going to get a decent size move any day. And I think a little break below here with a target of that, let's call it 60, and a stop loss just above the high of the candlestick would be really nice. I've already got a red pro trading system short already on this, but if you've missed the original move, watch that break below. It is 63.60. Okay, stop at the highs, look out for that 59.96. Look at gold. Gold's been continuously pushing higher here. Very nice move. We've met targets. 1861 is the latest target. It's all right. Yeah, it's pushing higher. Nothing really to report. I think we've got 1,900 just up here. Watch out for that. I think it's going to be a major resistance area, that 1,900. But at the moment, no selling pressure whatsoever. We spoke, and I briefly mentioned to you last week about the pound New Zealand dollar on the buy signal, and we certainly took off last Monday, 10th. We got that buy signal and we exploded higher. We went from 194, the US market just opening, we went from 194 all the way up to this nearly 198. So a really nice move. I hope you got some of that. And now we're just pulling back a little bit here. And I think this pullback's an opportunity. I think if we get back into sort of these zones here, which is the 195, 196, I think it's another buying opportunity. We've got this big double top resistance area. If we can consolidate around here, we could bust above that again and go again, and be a very big move indeed. So don't take your eye off this pound New Zealand. If we push back here into these zones, maybe another buying opportunity. And looking at the Dow trade, let's have a little look at that. We're turning green on the pro trading system here, getting a bit of a momentum shift to the upside as well. So we may go again. Every time the market's sold off, it's been bought back. I'm not sure that's going to happen in June and that next quarter. I think we're in very fragile areas, but it keeps on going higher, And the reason I think that maybe the next quarter, if you take a look at the monthly chart, if you look at the monthly, let's get rid of that line. You can see that we're so extended on momentum. There's the 8-period moving average, and that is a long way away. We are a long way away from the mean of the 8 EMA, or the mean of the price here. Okay, so I think we could at least come back to that moving average, which we do all the time. Every single time we come back to that 8-period moving average. And we haven't done that for if you count all this area here, several months. It is due a pullback. Nice green pro trading system buy though, wasn't it? 26,320, now up to 34,000. That is one hell of a move. All right, guys, keep your eye on that pullback on pound New Zealand. Watch out for that new trade on crude oil if you're into crude oil. Keep your eye out 1,900 on gold as well, because it was coming into a bit of a top, I think, and maybe a decent sized correction on that. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, because next week we're going to be looking at some big moves and potential trades in the cryptos. Speak to you soon. Take care.